Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best wine cooler refrigerator that you should buy. Let's do started. Number 1. Winter BWR 541 SDS 24 inches wine refrigerator cooler. Capacity, 54 standard 750 ml wine bottles, built-in, freestanding installation. Adjustable thermostat from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 65 degrees Fahrenheit / 5 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius. Powerful fan circulated compressor cooling ensures precise temperature distribution. Open door and malfunction warning system, security lock and key. Tempered double pane gray smoked glass for enhanced UV protection. This winter built-in wine bottle refrigerator offers great design and quality functionality for all your wine storage, display, and collection needs. Number 2. Winter FWC 341 TS34 bottle freestanding wine refrigerator. High capacity, 34 standard 750 ml wine bottles, freestanding installation only, proper clearance required. Tempered double pane gray smoked glass for enhanced UV protection with security lock and key. Custom wooden display shelf to showcase or safely store open bottles. Touchscreen control with temperature range from 39 degrees Fahrenheit to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius. Powerful fan circulated compressor cooling ensures precise and even temperature distribution. Number 3. Kohls Classic 15-inch wine cooler refrigerators. Long-term aging or quickly drinking, based on the temperature and humidity of the original wine cellar design. Our wine cooler design with wide temperature adjustable range, 41 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and precise humidity auto control. Adjustable and removable shelves for 30 bottles, this compact wine fridge can house up to 30 standard size, Bordeaux 750 ml, wine bottles on its sturdy beech shelves with grooves. Easy to use daily, compact wine fridge design with one-touch digital control that easy to operate, restore the set temperature after back on from power off to prevent damage caused by temperature changes. Blue light ensures clear display of your collection and you can turn it on / off you like. Number 4. Alboshi 15-inch wine cooler refrigerator. Exquisite design, with seamless stainless steel frame and double tempered glass door, the built-in or freestanding wine cooler looks classy and fashion, making it perfectly match any home decor, club, cafe or restaurants. The sleek design will be a great addition and focal point at any occasion. Quiet operation, built-in professional and powerful compressor. The built-in wine refrigerator runs quietly with a low operating noise of 42 decibels and energy saving. Number 5. WE 28 bottle wine cooler refrigerator. Powerful compressor cooling system, WE wine cooler's compressor technology ensures the temperature is not affected by outside heat sources and reaches. Temperatures low enough to house sparkling white wines with a 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 64 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. The working principle of the internal compressor is powerful, therefore the noise of the compressor wine cabinet will be a bit loud. We recommend putting the compressor wine cabinet in the kitchen or living room instead of the room. UV-resistant double-pane tempered glass. Removable rocks and easy-to-use touch controls. With removable shelves, you are no longer limited in the size and shapes of the bottles you can store.
Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.